Welcome the our channel. Today we how to install responsive images with srcset for faster UI, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install responsive images using the srcset attribute, start by selecting the images you want to use. Ensure you have multiple versions of each image at different resolutions. Next, open your HTML file where you want to add the responsive images. Locate the img tag that you want to enhance with responsive images. Add the srcset attribute to the img tag. In the srcset attribute, list the image file names along with their widths. Use a comma to separate each image source and its corresponding size. For example, write image 320w.jpg 320w, image 480w.jpg 480w, image 800w.jpg 800w. Then, add a sizes attribute to your img tag. In the sizes attribute, specify the conditions under which each image size should load. For instance, you might write sizes equals max width 320px, 280px, max width 480px, 440px, 800px. This ensures that the browser picks the most suitable image based on the viewport size. Now, make sure to provide the src attribute as well. The src should be set to a default image that will load if the browser does not support srcset. Choose a fallback image that is a good compromise in size and quality. Save your changes to the HTML file. Finally, open the file in a browser to test how the responsive images display at different screen sizes. You can use the developer tools to simulate different devices and see the images load accordingly. Monitor the loading performance to confirm that the implementation is helping with faster UI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.